When we're talking to people and people are watching these videos and they're learning about it, it's important for them to understand that the solution that you're bringing to the marketplace and that we can share with people together down here is very different. Is the software different? No. But the partnership with the client is different. The ability to work with them financially is different. What you just explained in terms of U.S.-based, nearshore, offshore, like the diversity of the ability for us to service people in so many ways, like to fit their business. Like this is all a big differentiator.
And there's one other major point, and that's quality of delivery. So you and I know each other a long time. I know what Mindcore is built about. And it's about integrity, it's about quality, it's about customer service and customer focus. So
100%.
one of the big things that happens with integrations is the SI will go, thanks very much, and they leave.
See you later.
See you later, thanks very much, all she wrote. Mindcore has a reputation for sticking by its customers through thick and thin.
It's really ownership. It's like visceral. Like we care. Everybody says it. And the only way to prove it is to actually, call the clients and speak to them. But you have known me for a long time, and this is a reason also that I want to do this with you, because I know that you think and feel and operate the same way. And it's hard to, again, unless you speak to our clients and you hear that from them, we can say it all day long, but it is the truth. The reality is, like, we care about the people that we're dealing with, and we don't just walk away.
Exactly.
It's a relationship that goes on for a very long time, and now you're part of the family, like once you're with us.
And I think that the reliance that a CFO has on Mindcore for IT services, that's the core beating heart, or one part of the beating heart of every organization these days. Now it's financial services, it's or financial platforms, it's
right.
A logical extension, and it brings us into operational integrity. And it brings us into operational scalability. So what people want is they want to be able to talk to somebody local who gets it, but can operate nationally and globally.
That's so well said.
So I think as we continue with this, it's a central thing for us.
Hey, thank you so much for enjoying this video. I have a quick message about NetSuite. Every firm that's come to us for guidance has totally transformed their business with NetSuite. So if you're in professional services, maybe you're in healthcare, manufacturing, could be that you're in warehousing, maybe you have an accounting firm or a law firm, could be you're in private equity, doing M&A, maybe you have a business that has multiple locations, or really it could be a wide variety of other industries. NetSuite solves so many of the business problems that you're facing. One major issue right now is QuickBooks Desktop. If you're using QuickBooks Desktop, which is going end of life, and you're ready to make a change, NetSuite will definitely solve that problem. Also, if you already have NetSuite, but you're frustrated or maybe you're disappointed with the level of service you're getting, with the outcomes that you're getting, with the productivity that you expect that you should be getting, you should definitely reach out to me, okay? Our clients consistently tell us that they feel way more confident and they see a lot more reliability and way better outcomes and productivity, not to mention 40 to 70% savings on NetSuite licensing. So we're here for you. Also, we'll help you determine if NetSuite is the actual right fit for you, and we'll provide expert support. So don't wait. Use the form below, schedule a free consultation with me, and let's see how NetSuite can transform your business. Now back to the video. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.